Hi everyone, I'm Jenna Guerin and it's June 11th, 2020, and I am from Connecticut. I just graduated from the University of New England and I'm taking this course as a prerequisite for PA school, and I'm applying to schools all throughout New England, New York, Pennsylvania. I just submitted my applications last week, so I was busy doing that and not making this video, so I'm making this video a little later than everyone else. Other than that, right now I work as a temperature screener at a doctor's office near my house, and I was an EMT while I was living in Maine, doing 911 calls along with regular transports to and from home, to doctor's appointments, stuff like that. So I've got to see a lot of cool things by doing that. And that's pretty much it about me. I just got a new puppy. Her name is Coco. She's currently sleeping right next to me, and she's so cute. But I'm looking forward to the rest of this class, and good luck to everyone.